Clause 3.8 of ISO 9000 describes the terms related to data, information and documents, whereas Clause 3.9 of ISO 9000 describes the terms related to customer. In this video, we will cover both Clause 3.8 and 3.9. Clause 381 describes the term data. Data means facts about an object. Here, typically, it is inadequate to take any decision based on the data given. For example, if the data given is that the dimension of the product is 2.5 mm, it is inconclusive. On other hand, information is meaningful data. Typically this meaningful data means we are able to take decision out of the information. For example, if it is given the specification is 2.4 mm whereas the dimension is 2.5 mm, I can take a decision that product is out of specification. Clause 385 of ISO 9000 defines the term document. Document is information and the medium on which the information is contained. So basically document has two parts, information and medium. Some examples given in the references: records, procedural documents or specifications which can be considered as a document. There are some also footnotes which further clarify this definition. Note 1 describes the various possible types of mediums. For example, paper, it can be magnetic, electronic or optical computer disk, or it can be a photograph, or it can be a master sample. Note 2 describes that often a term used documentation, and we should not get confused with document, and both are synonymous. So if you are using documentation or document, it is one and the same thing. Note 3 clarifies that requirements for different type of documents can be same as well as different. For example, common requirement can be that all of them should be readable, whereas when we are talking about specification, it should be version controlled, when we are talking about record, it should be retrievable. So both type of requirements are possible, which are common and which are different. Clause 387 and 388 of ISO 9000 define the terms specification and quality manual. Interestingly, both the terms are related. Clause 387 defines specification, which is a document stating requirements, and the requirements can be for both product and activity. For product, it is obvious. For activity, it is like test procedure is a specification. Clause 388 defines quality manual. So quality manual is a specification of quality management system of the organization. It further clarified in the footnotes that the quality manual will differ from organization to organization based on its size and complexity, and therefore it has to be very specific to the organization. Clause 391 of ISO 9000 describes the term feedback. It is opinion, comment or expression of interest for a product, service or a complaint handling process. Clause 392 of ISO 9000 defines term customer satisfaction. It is customer's perception of degree to which the customer expectations have been fulfilled. The term is further clarified by footnotes. Note 1 talks about unstated needs. There may be certain expectations of the customer which are not known to the organization or even not known to the customer till delivery. So it is very important that even those unstated needs are looked for customer satisfaction. Also, there are certain needs which are neither stated nor generally implied but still may affect customer satisfaction. Note 2 talks about customer Complaints. So absence of customer complaint does not imply that customer is satisfied. It may be a necessary but not sufficient condition. Similarly, note 3 talks about customer expect requirements. Even if the requirements are agreed with customer and fulfilled, it does not mean customer is satisfied. There may be other requirements which customer may realize later. Clause 393 of ISO 9000 describes term complaint. It is expression of dissatisfaction made to the organization about product, service, or complaint handling process itself. Here, resolution or response is expected explicitly or implicitly.